Okay, hello everyone. All right. I have my Google Chrome launch, and I'm now in my Google Sheet. All right. And I know that some of my students actually wanted to download some of my Google Sheet. Of course, that's not a problem. Okay, just feel free to download what you need. But when you are trying to download the Google Sheet, I noticed that many are trying to use this file, make a copy. Now, there's nothing wrong with using this, but when you make a copy, it is easy to do that if you have a Google Drive. Right, it's actually easier if you have a Google Drive. But for those of you who do not want to make a copy into the Google Drive, right, there is another way, is that you can actually, instead of using the copy, right, do a download. Okay, you can actually do a download itself, and of course there's a number of format that you can actually choose from. I think most of you are using Excel, so you can actually choose the Microsoft Excel. Some of you are using the Open Office, the open document format. That's okay also. If you choose the PDF, of course you can't edit it. All right, and unless for those of my more advanced student, okay, and you want it in the CSV, all right, which is the command separator value of some of my data, then of course you will download it as a CSV, and then maybe import it into whichever you want, such as your database. Okay, this will all be stored onto your PC or your laptop or whatever device that you download to. Okay, so it will be a lot easier if you use the download, unless you want to store it in your Google Drive. Okay.